Hi parents, this is Miss Alochi. I'm your child's 6th grade ELA and math teacher. I was just going to give you some information about the basic features of iReady and its importance because we use this program every year at our school to help students. iReady is an interactive online learning program that's designed to test students and use the data results from those tests to provide lessons based on their individual unique needs. This program is very effective in helping students increase their skill levels in reading and math. So that's the main reason why we use this program, because it has proven results. Your child will improve their skill levels by grade levels. I wanted to show you some basic features again on iReady. I'm going to use my child's account. She's in the 2nd grade. Her name is Cabri, just so you can have an example of feel of how iReady looks for your child. So they have a username, they have a password, and if they ever forget it or lose it, they can always let me know, and I will send them their username and password. All right, so they put their username in, their password. That needs to be set on state of California, of course, because that's where we are, and they click go.
Choose a subject.
So automatically when you come in, you will see that it says choose a subject for your child. It also has their name at the top and how many coins they've earned. This is the incentive, the reward program system that they use to keep them motivated. So I'll give you more information about that in just a second. Okay, if you go to Family Center, it gives you more information about iReady and what it's all about. And it gives you information on how you can support and encourage your student success with iReady at home. So this is the page that they see. And if they want to log out, they just hit X and then they'll get out. So
choose a
reading
subject
and math. Let's look at the reading one.
Reading.
Now, based on what my daughter did, she already took her diagnostic test in reading and math. So based on her skill level, she's going to get a path of lesson based on what she still needs help with and what she's still struggling with. And that's the same for your child as well. So it's very important that they, work on these lessons, because it does help fill in those gaps and build a bridge of learning, so help them increase their skill level. For example, she has lessons on endings, like with ed and ing, words with ed and ing, because she's not very strong in that. Okay, so she would click
Start
on it,
lesson,
and then she would do it. Also, another tab right here is a family video for you. You can watch with your child on what is iReady. It's basically going to tell you the same information that I'm giving you, and it's an introduction for families. Down here at the bottom is some more tabs. This is a to-do list. That means that's where we are right now. It's their agenda, like what are they supposed to be working on right now, their goals. The next tab is called My Progress, and it means just that.
My progress.
You can see how many minutes they spent on task, on lessons for the week. And as they progress and do more and more lessons and have a higher and higher passing rate, once they get to 40 plus or above, that means they are a superstar. They are really a whiz at iReady and doing their best and working very hard at increasing their skill level. The more lessons they do, the better they'll get with their skill levels. So my daughter right now, she's at 14 lessons passed in a row. She had 14 lessons passed out of 14 lessons. So she's doing really good. If you open this tab, it'll show all the skills that she's had a lesson on and what her percentage grade was on all of them. And as you can see right here, this is when she had her diagnostic test recently, a few weeks ago, and where she scored. So based on that, this is why she has the learning path that she has, and it's the same for your child as well. On to the next tab. This is the rewards tab I was telling you about earlier. That's where these coins come into place. So she can change the avatar she wants to use to encourage the kids to keep, going and make it fun. So that's why they have these various characters. So she can change it. Now, it depends on what level your child is at. They may be familiar with these characters that my daughter has, or if they're a higher level, they may have different iReady avatars and characters. Then the themes. They can change their background to whatever they want to change it to after they change their avatar, their buddies. And
rewards.
This is for the coins, okay? So after they have accumulated a certain amount of coins, they can cash them in for 50 points to play various games. So if you pass a lesson, you do a lesson, you complete a lesson and you pass the mastery test, you have to pass with a C average, a B, or A. basically C or above, to earn coins. Teachers can also assign various lessons on iReady. So iReady can be assigned to them based on their diagnostic test, and also they can be assigned through their teachers.